2022 Miami International Boat Show. Outside of the boat show is a boat that's truly sensational. This is the most powerful outboard boat in the world today. It is also the biggest. This is a Hydrosport 65. She's just under 70 feet length overall, and this particular beast is powered by 600 horsepower Mercury dual-prop outboard motors. It is truly the biggest beast in the world right now in this segment. So let's go and take a look around, and I'll show you some of the incredible features of this boat. So Hydrosport are known for building fantastic sport fishing center consoles, and this can also be specified as such. This can be arranged with a tuna tower, but this particular owner wanted this version as a leisure vessel. So little details, he's had charging points for sea bobs. He's got 2 of these. They slot in here and charge so they can remain on deck. It has space as well below for another 2, so that's 4 sea bobs. You have this gorgeous accommodation. This lovely flip out table, and we have cooler boxes with nice cushions integrated so they can use for seating. As we look further at this cockpit, this boat particularly, it would have been a fishing boat, but they've taken up, instead of having fish boxes, fish ice boxes, they've turned this into ice boxes for drinks. And you have port and starboard, these pull out isotherm refrigerator drawer units. Sink up here, we've got mini Garmins that tie into the system, port and starboard to provide information to guests. We have 2 huge boarding doors, or tuna doors as they would be known, port and starboard, fully tuned JL audio sound system. As we head forward, we have this lovely seating area. This entire area, all carbon fibre, can be enclosed with isinglass, port and starboard. That will enclose this area and create an air-conditioned helm space. So let's take a look at the helm. This helm is dominated by 3 24-inch Garmin displays. She's got joystick control, side power, forward and aft thrusters. There's your engine trim controls, digital throttles. These are air conditioning vents, legacy switches, phone storage with charging, and of course cup holders. Now you'll notice the helm seat central is literally midships on the boat, so the view is panoramic all the way around from this helm. Now we're going to head to starboard, which gives access to the cabin on board this boat. It's basically it's accommodation for the owner. It's not a huge cabin, but it is beautifully fitted out. The forward end has this double berth, again beautiful cabinetry. Hanging space, this is all cedar lined. A very, very pleasant place to stay. And we have this saloon arrangement, and over above, this is a drop down bunk should you need extra sleeping arrangements. This lovely teak table can be dropped. There's a pad that goes in place that creates overnight accommodation for another 2 people. And then heading aft, you have this lovely day heads with a walk-in shower. But you have to remember, this is essentially a very oversized day boat, where it's all about being up above and enjoying the water. So this huge sound system carries on forward. We have a drop down table which is hydraulic, that's controlled from the helm, and of course this removable sunshade. Let's take a look back at this beast. As we head down port side, more features of this incredible stereo system. We've got lock boxes and storage all the way down the boat. And as you'd imagine on a boat this size, everything is oversized and custom made for this boat. So finishing with the stats on this boat, she's 65 feet length overall, 16 foot on the beam. She carries a total of 3,600 horsepower in this newest, highest powered ever made version. Carries 1,800 gallons of fuel. She is, without doubt, the most extreme center console in the world today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this fabulous Hydrosport Estrella 65.